Good morning. Let's talk new beauty. There are several new products that recently came out. So of course, we're going to be going over some skincare, and there's also a hair care product that I am really interested in as well. So we're going to be going over that as well. And I'm going to be sharing the products that I'm going to be purchasing and reviewing for you. And then of course, I will let you know the products that I'm going to be passing on. So all of the items that I'm talking about today will be linked below for you for your reference, including discount codes. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. And let's get right into that first new product. So the first product is by K18. They came out with a new hair care product. This is the Damage Shield Protective Conditioner, which is their very first conditioner that they have added to their collection. So as you know, they have the hair mask, which is a treatment, and you may only want to use that a couple of times a month. But when you're not using the hair mask, they've came out with a conditioner now that you can use with their other two shampoos. So the detox shampoo, and they also have the pH maintenance shampoo, which has been renamed to Damage Shield Protective Shampoo, which then goes hand in hand with this conditioner. Now, I've had such a great experience with K18 that I have to try this because their shampoos, their hair mask really works well on my fine hair, and my hair is never limp. It's not lifeless. It's not weighted down. It works really well on my fine hair, and my hair always feels and looks clean, and I have that bounce and shine to my hair as well. So this conditioner is one that will protect against UV damage, pollution, heat styling tools, while helping soften, detangle, and enhance shine. Great for all hair textures and hair types, so great for everyone. And this of course has sweet almond oil, jojoba seed oil, there's a ceramide in here, there's vitamin E, and of course the peptides in here, which is what they're known for. So again, I'm really curious about this. I am definitely going to pick this up. This retails at $49 Canadian for 250 mils of product. And when I try it, I will give you an update come then. But let me know if you've tried this, because I do believe this launched at the beginning of December. So if you have tried this, let us know in the comments how you liked it. Next up is the Youth to the People 10% AHA Body Scrub. So this looks like it's going to be very similar to the First Day Beauty Bump Eraser. And you guys know that I love that product. I use it all the time in the shower, especially when I'm experiencing some texture on my body or I have dry patches, and it works really well, especially if you have KP or you have bumps on the backs of your thighs. It works like a dream. This is very similar, but this one does have fragrance, whereas I believe the First Day Beauty one does not. So this one has key notes of ginger, black pepper, and velvet woods. So it's in that earthy, woody family. And the three AHAs that are in here is lactic, glycolic, and mandelic acid. And there is 1% PHA, which is polyhydroxy acids, which are all chemical exfoliants to help exfoliate the skin. But there is also jojoba seed beads and upcycled olive seed powder, which will give you more of that physical exfoliant, so that grit to really help slough off any of that surface dead skin. So I do love stuff like this, and I would like to try it, but I'm not in a hurry to try this product because again, I have the First Day Beauty one and I really enjoy it. But maybe one day I will pick this up and see how it performs. But you are getting 237 mils of product, so 8 ounces, for $57 Canadian. So yes, it is pretty pricey, I'm not gonna lie, but this is also something that you wouldn't want to use every day. You probably could if you're someone that doesn't have sensitive skin, but if you don't have texture or any dryness on your body, I wouldn't even use this until you started to notice that, especially if you want to prolong this product where it will last a lot longer. But I do like that woody, earthy scent. It sounds really nice. So again, I might pick this up. I'm not sure yet, but if you've tried this, please let us know how you like it. Now, Youth to the People also has another new product. This is the Hydrate Plus Glow Dream Body Butter. Now, I am more interested in this because I love a good body butter that keeps my skin nice and moisturized and looking radiant at the same time. So you are getting 8 ounces here for $65 Canadian. This is a luxurious, fast absorbing body butter that visibly hydrates, firms, and smooths, leaving your skin moisturized with a radiant, glowing look for up to 48 hours. It also has the same fragrance family, so earthy and woody, so citrus and woods. And this has 3% niacinamide. It also has jojoba shea butters, and it has that super berry extract, which helps with dullness, and it gives your skin that antioxidant treatment at the same time. So yes, I think I'm going to purchase this one, and if I really love it, then I might get the body scrub down the road. But like I said, I can never pass on a good body butter because it's something that we do use pretty much every day when we have a shower, and especially during the winter months, I need something that is going to keep my skin nice and moisturized all winter long. So Glow Recipe came out with a new product, and when I saw this release not long ago, I knew I had to try it. I love this brand. Honestly, I feel like I have never had one bad experience with their products as of yet. Their formulations are truly beautiful and they all smell incredible. But this is the Cloudberry Bright Essence Toner, and I love products like this. So this is a concentrated essence toner that is formulated with cloudberry, which is a super fruit rich in vitamin C and powerhouse antioxidant CoQ10. Great for normal dry combination oily skin types, great if you have dryness, dullness, that uneven texture. So cloudberry concentrate is fermented for enhanced absorption and also packed with vitamin C, vitamin E to help brighten and hydrate the skin. It also has coenzyme Q10, which is a powerful antioxidant, so great for signs of aging, great to visibly strengthen your skin barrier as well. And it has 5% glycerin and rice water to seal in moisture and to hydrate the skin. And I definitely want to try this. So if you've tried this, let me know. But this is $52 Canadian, and you are getting 75 mils of product. And this would be a product that you would use before your serums and your moisturizer, but after your cleanser. And I could see this being a lovely product to pair up with your vitamin C serum in your morning skincare routine. But I would totally pair this up with peptides as well, and with my tretinoin at nighttime. So I feel like this could be a product that you can use every day, twice a day, especially once a day in your morning routine. This is going to be lovely, I think, for the winter months, but I guess we'll find out. So I will keep you updated in time. Now, I'm really excited about this one. Drunk Elephant came out with a new product. This is the Bora Barrier Rich Repair Cream with 6 Butter Lipid Complex. So as you know, they have the Lala Retro Cream and the Proteiny Polypeptide Cream. Lala Retro is a thicker moisturizer, more suited for dryness if you're looking for something that is a little bit heavier in texture. The Proteiny Polypeptide Cream is more lightweight, but it's still very moisturizing, but it contains peptides to really help to firm the skin and to address signs of aging. And I use that cream pretty much every day, twice a day. But this one is something that I really want to try, especially when my skin is angry and it needs additional moisture. So they say this is great for those that have redness, dryness, if you have sensitive skin, you have that compromised skin barrier, great for mature skin looking for that richer cream to help keep that skin nice and moisturized, especially during the winter months. So this is going to soothe and also help with your hyaluronic acid production, support the skin's barrier, and protect skin's moisture levels. It has zinc and copper gluconate, which are salt minerals with anti-redness benefits and powerful antioxidant properties, and alpha glucan, which is derived from rice and used for its soothing, hydration, boosting benefits. There's a lot of oils in here, like several oils. They have the shea butter. They do have some peptides in here as well, the ceramides. So I can see this being a lovely cream when your skin needs some TLC. So I have tried every product from Drunk Elephant. I literally have, so I can't pass on this. I need to try this and see how I like it, especially during the winter. As you know, I use tretinoin. I use a lot of actives on my skin that can cause dryness and irritation. So I would love to see how this repairs my skin, and let's see how it works. So I'm gonna give you an update in time. This retails at $94 Canadian for 50 mils. Yes, it is quite pricey. Drunk Elephant is pricey, but I do feel like their products are worth the money, and their formulations are truly on point from my experience with them. So if you've tried this, let me know if you like this one, but I can't wait to try it. And Biossance came out with the Squalene Plus Ectoin, which I hope I'm saying correctly, Overnight Rescue Deep Repair Night Cream. So this is an ultra-rich nighttime cream that supports your moisture barrier and hydrates dry, stressed skin. Great for normal dry combination oily skin, great for fine lines and wrinkles, dryness, loss of firmness, and elasticity. So Ectoin, again, I hope I'm saying correctly, is shown to protect your skin against damage caused by external aggressors, which is everyday pollution. The magnesium and peptides support skin restoration and deter daily stressors, again, pollution. And the squalene is a weightless ingredient that helps to provide your skin with a lot of hydration. And Biossance is known for that squalene ingredient, which by the way is plant-based. This is a certified organic product, and there is jojoba esters in here as well. So $92 for 50 mils of product. That is quite pricey. That is very similar to the Drunk Elephant price, and the Drunk Elephant one had a lot more ingredients in there, like different oils. They had the ceramide, the peptides. So I feel like I would much prefer to use the Drunk Elephant one, see how it goes with that before purchasing this. But I do like the Biossance line, and I would like to try this, but I feel like I'm going to try the Drunk Elephant one first and see how it goes. Now, Rare Beauty came out with some new body care products, and there are several here, and honestly, I'm not sure which one I would like to try. They do have a body and hair mist. They have the Comfort, Stop, and Soothe Aromatherapy pen. So this one here is a weightless, fast-absorbing gel with a soothing peppermint and lavender scent to help you relax and refresh the senses on the spot. So it has lavender oil for calming and peppermint oil for relaxation and for soothing. I don't think I would purchase this. This is $27 Canadian for 5 mils of product. Here in Canada, we have a brand here called Sage Wellness, and I use a lot of their products, especially their diffuser blends, but they do have a lot of body products as well with oils, and I much rather use something like that than this one from Rare Beauty. But of course, if you don't have a store that sells wellness things, then perhaps you like this. Maybe you like this sort of thing. But for me, I'm definitely gonna pass on that. They do have the fragrance mist, which of course you can put in your hair. I don't know, I might consider that in the near future. I mean, I love a good body mist and something that I can spritz in my hair to have it smell nice all day. But I do use the Janeiro body fragrance mist, and I put that in my hair sometimes, and that scent will linger for a long period of time. So I think I'll probably pass on the body and hair fragrance mist. It's $38 Canadian, by the way. They do have a hydrating hand cream, which retails at $25 Canadian. I mean, I love a good hand cream, but there's a lot of products that I use on my hands. Sometimes I use my face creams on my hands, or the Aveeno cream that I use on my body. I use that on my hands. There are many skincare products in my collection that I will use on my hands. So don't feel like you have to go out and purchase a hand cream. You can use anything on your hands. So I will most likely pass on this as well. So $25 for 50 mils. It does have fragrance. It has earthy and woody scents. It will hydrate for up to 16 hours according to Rare Beauty. Honestly, when it comes to hand creams and stuff, I don't really like fragrance because then you're like tasting it if you're eating with your hands. So yeah, I will most likely pass on that. And the other product is the hydrating body lotion. I mean, that would probably be one that I would try. 250 mils for $38. That's not too bad. Same thing, earthy, woody scent, and it will give your skin hydration for up to 24 hours. So I might consider the body one in the near future, but everything else I will most likely pass on. And I think the last product that I'm gonna be talking about is by Sol de Janeiro. They came out with a new body butter. This is the Delicia Drench body butter for intense moisture and skin barrier repair. I love the sounds of that already. So this is a rich whipped body butter that locks in deep moisture while repairing the skin's protective barrier and calming down redness. Great for normal, dry, and combination skin. Great for dryness, redness, and dullness. So this sounds really nice, but honestly, the scent would be a deal breaker, right? It depends on what the scent is. If this is floral, I am not going to like this. I don't like floral powdery scents. I much prefer something that is fruity, spicier, woody, earthy. I like that. I don't like powdery floral. I just don't. So before we get to the fragrance, let's look at the other ingredients here. So we have bakuri butter, which intensely moisturizes and nourishes your skin's natural barrier. Brazilian soothing complex, which calms the skin and reduces the appearance of redness. And prebiotic hibiscus, which will nourish the natural microbiome to support skin's resilience. So the notes on here, let me see if I can find it, are vanilla, orchid. I do like vanilla. Orchid is a flower. I don't know if I'm gonna like that. Sugared violet. I can't even picture what that's going to smell like. Obviously something maybe sweet, but violet is floral, right? And then sheer sandalwood, which I do like sandalwood and I do like vanilla. So I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna like it, but I am going to purchase the small size, which is 75 mils of product for $30. And if you wanna purchase the largest size, it's 240 mils for $65 Canadian. This is more geared for those that have redness, more sensitive skin, lacking moisture. I do like that because my skin, again, can be quite dry during the winter, especially my legs and my arms. So I would like to try this, but I must say the two scents that are my favorite is the Bum Dia Bright Cream and the Bum Bum Cream. Those two are my go-tos. If you've tried this, please let me know how you like it and let me know what it smells like as well. So those are some new beauty launches that recently hit the market. I hope that you enjoyed today's video and hopefully I was able to introduce you to something new today. Of course, I can't wait to try some of these and I can't wait to share my thoughts with you. So don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell so that you don't miss out on those upcoming videos. Everything that I chatted about today will all be linked in my description box. Let me know if you've tried any one of these products and also let me know if there's something that you would love to try. Let's get a conversation going in that comment section and thank you all so much for watching. I really do appreciate it and I will see you all in my next video. So take care and I will see you all then. Bye guys.